Hi, welcome to my channel Roy Formulation. In continuation of our last video, there we have discussed standard quadratic congruence of composite modulus as of the type x square congruent to a square mod 4p, where p is prime. That was the video of our last video. Now here today we are going to consider that x square congruent to a square mod 8p, where p prime, any prime integer p. Type is x square congruent to a square mod 8p. And in our previous video we have discussed solutions of x square congruent to a square mod 4p. Now we have considered is 8p type. Now it has two types of solutions. Do you know how it is solvable when it is a perfect square? It is already seen that a square. So it has eight solution. When a is odd integer, this a is odd integer, then the congruence has 8 solutions. It has 4 solutions when a is even integer. Means whenever this a is even, it has 4 solutions. When a is odd integer, it has exactly 8 solutions. And by Roy formulation, these solutions are given by this. If a is odd, then solutions are given by x is congruent to 2pk plus minus a mod 8p, and here k has 4 values 0, 1, 2 and 3. If this a is odd, then these 8 solutions are given by this formula. If a is even integer, then it has 4 solutions. These 4 solutions are given by x congruent to 4pk plus minus a mod 8p, and here k will be equal to 0 and 1. These are the formulation of this quadratic congruence, x square congruent to a square mod 8p. So what is that? It has 8 solutions if this a is odd integer. It has 4 solutions if a is even integer. And these are the formulation according to Roy formulation. X is congruent to pk plus minus a. Another is x congruent to 4pk plus minus a. Let us consider an example. That x square congruent to 4 mod 248. Now this congruence can be written as x square congruent to 2 square mod 8 into 31. Here if we compare this congruence with the external congruence, that x square congruent to a square mod 8p, here our a is equal to 2. 2 is an even integer, and what is p? 8p. p means 31. Where 31 is a prime number, it is our p. So our a is even and p is 31. So congruence has, as per our rule, has 4 solutions. It has 4 solutions, and these solutions are given by x equal to 4pk plus minus a mod 8p, and where k is equal to 0 and 1. Now putting the values of a and p here, we get 4 into 31k plus minus 2 mod 8 into 31, k equal to 0 and 1. Now simplifying, that is 124k plus minus 2 mod 248, and here k has 2 values 0 and 1. Now if we put first value k equal to 0 here, it will be 0 plus minus 2, and if we put k equal to 1, it is 1 124 plus minus 2 mod 248. Now this can be written as 0 plus 2 is 2, 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 means that modulus number 248 minus 2. And here it is 124 plus minus 2 is 124 plus 2, and 124 minus 2 is 122 and 126 mod 248. So these are the required 4 solutions. No, one time is there, that is 2, and 248 minus 2 is 246, and it is 122 and 126 mod 248. So these are the 4 solutions of this congruence x square equal to 4 mod 248. As usual, take one more example, that x square congruent to 9 mod 248. Now here it can also be written in this way as x square congruent to 3 square mod 8 into 31. So it is also of the type x square congruent to a square mod 8p type, because 31 is a prime p. Here with our a is equal to 3, 3 is an odd integer, and our p equal to 31. So as per rule said that this congruence has 8 solutions, because a is odd, it has 8 solutions, and these 8 solutions are given by this formula, that x is congruent to 2pk plus minus a mod 8p, where k has 4 values 0, 1, 2 and 3. These 4 values. Now if we put the values, what we get? That is 2 into 31k plus minus 3 mod 8 into 31, and 1 simplifying, it is 62k plus minus 3 mod 248, and k equal to 0, 1, 2 and 4. Now putting values of k one by one. For k equal to 0 we have 0 plus minus 3. For k equal to 1 we have 62 plus minus 3, and for k equal to 2 it is 124 plus minus 3, and for k equal to 3, that is k, for k equal to 3, that is 186 plus minus 3 mod 248, and this gives that one is 3, other is minus 3 means 248 minus 3 means 245. Now 62 minus 3 means 59, and 62 plus 3 means 65, and here 124 plus 3 means 121, and 124 plus 3 is 127. Similarly here also 186 minus 3 means 183, and 189 mod 248. So these are the 8 solutions. These are the 8 solutions whenever that a is an odd integer, and it is given by the Roy formulation. See how easily we can solve the problems with using Roy formulation. We need not use Chinese remainder theorem. This no use of Chinese remainder theorem. We are obtaining the solutions. So this is very useful, and this is the merit of this video. Okay.